Hey guys, good morning. This is Arjan with Blockchain Wizard, and I just wanted to do a quick technical analysis on Ethereum. There are some short-term gains, well, short-term losses, but long-term gains. What I mean by that is if we look at the one-day chart at Ethereum, and I'm starting to look at the one-day chart and going as granular as 4 hour at the most right now, just because we have more data on some of these coins. They have been out there for about a year maybe, or a little less, but there's enough data to collect. So that being said, let's dive into the technical analysis here real quick. If we look at the one-day chart, um, I could definitely, it seems there's a head and shoulder pattern forming here where we're at the end of the second shoulder here, and I expect the price to go down a little bit further up to 600 mark. I initially had I had my buy position at 644, but this might go down a little bit more, but up to even 600. And the reason why I'm saying that is because, well, first of all, there is definitely a head and shoulder pattern that I can see here, but beyond that, if we look at the RSI, it's still a bit high. It's around 51, 50. I expect the RSI to go down a little bit more. If we look at the MACD, the short MACD is 12 is racing towards the 20, away from the 26. So this is definitely going to go down even further, I believe. If we look at the money flow, we can see that people are starting to buy a little more. So as we see the squeeze, as we see more people buying at this level here, we're going to definitely see the prices go a bit down, just like how we saw it previously, where the prices jumped from 700 all the way up to 372. So I expect this prices to go down a little bit more. However, we can see that the accumulation and distribution chart is still very high. It is, it's definitely much higher. It's moving, trending up. So that suggests that, and it doesn't suggest, but it just confirms that this ether is going to go up after a short pullback. If all these kind of indicate that the coin is still moving up, and all we're trying to do is to get a price confirmation. That's all we can do. We don't know exactly where it's going to go up or go down. However, we can try to get the best possible answer on whether it's where the momentum is for the coin and where it's going to go. So based on the accumulation and distribution chart, based on the MFI, based on MACD and the RSI, and if we look at these, the volumes are starting to go lower, starting to get lower. So I expect the prices to go up, but only after a pullback. Thank you.